Hello, this is Professor Pat, your podcast technology professor. And today we are going over more things to do on your Shopify store. As you can see, this is a new store that we are creating. We have learned how to drive the traffic to the store and to look at the analytics. Currently, there's 316 sessions, that is up from 43%. And we went in today to our online store. We created some pages, and now we're going to go to navigation. And what we need to do here is determine what we want our menu to look like over here. So far we have a photo menu and we have its lit over here. We need to go in to its lit over here. See, look here. And we need to add another menu item. So we're going to go add menu item. And we want to add a page. And the page we are adding is our life coaching page. So we're going to add that. And now you see, click on add. And now we have that here. And we want to take and move this up to be at the top of the menu item selection. The special for podcasters, we want to be down at the bottom. And this is our menu. But let's see, do we need to add something else? Let's look at our other pages. Let's add embark on a transformative journey with Coach Tot. This is actually should be Professor Tot. So we're going to go and change that, but we'll move this up here as well. And do we need to add anything else? Let's see. Let's add our blogs and news and ads. And let's hope this is our blog. Hold on. Let's delete. Let's remove. Let's add. And we want this to be our blog post. And we have Elevate Your Manifestation Journey blog. We're going to add that. Let's save our menu. Now we want to come over here to our online store. And we want to view the store to see, did I change this? Oh, look at that. Welcome to Keep Manifesting Life Coaching. Look at that. You can book a session. You can book a session. And it is exactly what you want it to be. Embark on a transformative journey. Oh, look at that. Coach Tat. Coach Tat. Hello. Okay, look at about Professor Tat. Wait, hold on. Why do we have two of these same? We have an embark on a transformative journey and greetings, beautiful souls. I'm Coach Tat, blah, 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 blah. And we look at this one about Professor Tat's greetings, beautiful souls. We have a duplication that we will need to delete. Our manifestation tools is actually our shopping page, our manifestation or lead, podcast tutorial downloads. These will be coming soon where I will show you how to do the things you need to do. And you can just pay me if you need a step-by-step. Or you can just go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube and share now. Okay, let's be real. I'm sounding more French, less British. And look, I'm not the best at these accents. Okay, but I'm talk to your podcast technology professor. We have right here an exclusive offer for podcasters. And elevate your manifestation journey, the power of smudging revealed. This is actually our blog. Okay, so we're going to go back over here. Let's go to our pages. And we have two duplicate pages. Let's see, we got our blog post. Let's go to navigation and let's go to its lit over here. And what I think I want to do is remove this one. So let's see, we got this one and this one. So let's delete this one. Oh. Let's remove. And then we're going to edit these and add Shop now. Because everyone would not know that this is where you go to shop to buy the things that we want you to buy. Manifestation knowledge. This is going to be learn now because we're only learning. This is very good. This is a special offer coming for podcasters. And then this right here, we want to delete. Save menu. Yeah, delete. Okay. Save menu. Add menu. And here we want to add block. News. And we're going to change this to say blog. Do we really want to call it a blog? Let's ask ChatGPT what's another name that we can use for blog? Chronicle Hub, Inscribe Space, Story Vista. Give me a title, one word title. No, me don't like none of these. What will I want to call it? My two cents. The blog. How about that? I like the sound of that. My 2 cents, the blog. Because I always got 2 cents. If you give me 98 weeks together, I have $1. Yes, my 2 cents, the blog. So I want this to come and be here. So I'm going to save the menu. Now we're going to go back over and refresh. And look, there's my 2 cents, the blog. And there is the blog. It's the only blog that I have so far. I haven't put any other blogs up there. Learn now. So go, oh, look, you learn now. Manifestation tools. Oh, shop now. About Professor Tot. Oh, hi, Professor Tot. And Coach Tot, Professor Tot, we are all one in the same. We just talk a little different. That's all. And look, welcome to Keep Manifesting Life Coaching. And it's only $25 for a 30-minute one-on-one life coaching session. I like the way that looks. So let me go to my online store again. And when you look at my store, this is what you see, but you notice that all of these here is now different. And I always want my store to open here because I want you to be welcome to Keep Manifesting, where your dreams take flight. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please let me know if you like the content that Professor Tot, your podcast technology instructor, is sharing. And please share the shit that we are sharing so YouTube can get it in front of the correct audience. But we thank you for joining us. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified when we go live or post new content. Thank you so very, very much. Maybe Professor Tot should try to have an African accent more than a British. Have a great day. We love you, boy.